Hi, this is Tony Sagami. Can you tell me what company, in terms of market capitalization, is the most highly valued company in the world? Well, that title has changed over time from company to company, from General Electric to Microsoft, and most recently ExxonMobil. But there's a new market cap leader, and that king is Apple. Yep, the maker of iPods, iPhones, iPads, is now the most valuable company in the world. Now, success breeds imitation, and that's especially true in technology and especially true in China. You know, no matter where I go in China, I always run into someone trying to sell me things like fake Rolex, fake Nike shoes, you name it. And even when I'm hungry, I have to keep my eyes open because there's such thing as fake McDonald's and fake Pizza Huts. And of course, there are fake iPhones and fake iPads. Heck, unethical businessmen have even set up entirely fake Apple stores in China, completely fake stores, down to the uniforms, the logos, everything. And so very difficult to tell them apart from the real ones. In fact, in a city called Nanjing, China, there's even a counterfeit shopping mall. The entire mall is devoted to nothing but counterfeits. But, you know, most Chinese do want the real thing. And Apple is having a hard time meeting the demands for its wildly successful products. You know, a few days ago, for example, the Chinese police recently arrested a gang of smugglers that were using an elaborate pulley system and crossbows to smuggle iPhones and iPads into China. That's pretty spectacular demand, and it shows you how much people want those Apple products. As a matter of fact, that demand just showed up in its recent second quarter results when it reported an amazing number of statistics. Apple sold $24.6 billion worth of gadgets. That's a lot of sales. That included 4.8 million iPads, 18.6 million iPhones, and 3.7 million Mac computers. Now, impressively, its revenues grew by 83% year over year, but its profits zoomed ahead by 95%. Now, a real important part of Apple's success is that its products have morphed from being just a piece of the new cutting-edge leading technology to a fashion accessory. You know, the best-dressed women in China today wouldn't dare leave the house without wearing Prada or Gucci clothes. They'll have their Louis Vuitton handbag. They'll have jewelry from Tiffany's, but they will also have an Apple iPhone clutched to their ear. And that's why Apple revenues grew by an amazing 600% in the second quarter in China. That's some spectacular sales growth. Now, I'm not suggesting you rush out and buy Apple stock tomorrow morning, but it is a stock that should be on your radar. Now, I need to disclose that I just gave my Asia Stock Alert subscribers another buy signal for Apple last Monday when the Dow Jones plunged by 634 points. So we definitely bought our shares when they were on sale. Now, my target for Apple is $500, and I think it could get there in the next 12 to 18 months. Until next week, this is Tony Sagami signing off.